Video lesson prepared by N. Markandaya, lecturer in chemistry, MVS Gout Arts and Science College, Mahbub Nagar, Department of Chemistry. So topic is chemical bonding. Molecular orbital energy diagram of heteronuclear diatomic molecules. Heteronuclear diatomic molecules, BSc first year, first semester. So heteronuclear diatom means the molecule formed by two different molecules like CO, so NO, CN, HF, like that. So these molecules formed by the two different atoms. So C carbon monoxide molecule formed by the carbon and oxygen, NO formed by nitrogen and oxygen, like that. These molecules are known as heteronuclear diatomic molecules. So we have to see the molecular orbital energy diagram for these heteronuclear diatomic molecules. See the first, carbon monoxide. The formula of carbon monoxide is CO. So in that two atoms are there, one carbon and oxygen. So see first, atomic number of carbon. Atomic number of carbon is 6. The electronic configuration of carbon is 1s2, 2s2, 2p2, 2p2. Next, another molecule is oxygen. The atomic number of oxygen is 8. Okay. The electronic configuration of oxygen is 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. The electronic configuration of carbon is 1s2, 2s2, 2p2, but electronic configuration of oxygen is 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. Next, so total CO molecule contains 14 electrons, see 6 from carbon and 8 from oxygen, total 14 electrons. So these 14 electrons are arranged in the molecular orbitals as this order. So sigma 1s, see here. So we can observe this here. So first pi 2py, pi 2pz. So sigma 2px. So here pi star 2p. This is the unsymmetrical. This is the unsymmetrical molecular orbital diagram. So the CO molecule followed the unsymmetrical molecular orbital energy diagram. See here 14 electrons are arranged in the molecular orbitals like sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2, sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2, pi 2p y2, pi 2p z2, sigma 2p x2. So total 2 plus 2 4, 6, 8 plus 2 10 plus 2 12 plus 2 14, total 14 electrons. In that 14 electrons, so bonding molecule, the number of electrons in bonding molecular orbital is 2 plus 2 4 plus 2 6 plus 2 8 plus 2 10, total number of electrons in bonding molecular orbital is 10. Next, number of electrons in antibonding molecular orbital is 2 plus 2 4, total 4. Okay, so 4. So this bond order of this molecule is 10 minus 4 by 2. So NB minus Na by 2. NB means number of electrons in bonding molecular orbital minus number of electrons in antibonding molecular orbitals by 2. So total 6 by 2 is equal to 3. So bond order of carbon monoxide molecule is 3. Okay. So this carbon monoxide exists. So like here C double bond O. So your carbon having plus charge like that. So like this. So like this way it is exist to. So the carbon and oxygen, the number of bonds between the carbon and oxygen is 3. So you can see here, this is the molecular orbital energy diagram. This is the energy level. This is the carbon atom. Carbon atom electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. So here 2px1, 2py1, 2pz0. Total 6 electrons. This is the atomic orbitals of carbon. Next atom is oxygen. Oxygen electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2px2, 2py2, 2pz1. So total 8 electrons. Here total 6 electrons. So this molecular orbital of carbon monoxide is total 14 electrons. So these 14 electrons we have to fill in these molecular orbitals. So from down to low energy to higher energy. So here 2 electrons in sigma 1s orbital, 2 electrons in sigma star 1s orbital, 2 electrons in sigma 2s orbital, 2 electrons in sigma star 2s orbital, 2 electrons in pi 2py orbital, 2 electrons in pi 2pz orbital. This pi 2py orbital and pi 2pz orbital is so having the same energy. So next 2 electrons in sigma 2px. So from here total 14 electrons are completed. Okay. So now bond order is 3. So the CO molecule has 1 sigma bond and 2 pi bonds. So like this 1 sigma bond and so 2 pi bonds is there. So next magnetic property. So these highest energy level molecular orbital contain the paired electron. So all the electrons are paired. So it shows a diamagnetic in nature. Diamagnetic in nature. Okay, this is the molecular orbital energy diagram of carbon monoxide. So next molecule is the nitric oxide, NO. NO molecule formed the combination of nitrogen atom and oxygen atom. So nitrogen atom and oxygen atom. See here. So nitrogen atom has 7 electrons. The atomic number of nitrogen is 7. So nitrogen atom has 7 electrons and the electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. Total 7 electrons. Next, another atom is oxygen. The oxygen atom has 8 electrons because the atomic number of oxygen is 8 and the electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. So total 7 plus 8 electrons. Total 15 electrons are there. 15 electrons are there in nitric oxide molecule. So NO molecule containing 15 electrons. So these are arranged in molecular orbitals. So this order: sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2, sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2, sigma 2px. These 4 pi orbitals are in the at the same position. So that means these 15 electrons are filled in the symmetrical. This is the symmetrical molecular orbital diagram. So because we can cut here, so we can get the identical two halves. So This is the symmetrical molecular orbital diagram. So these 15 electron arranged in the symmetrical molecular orbital diagram. These total 5 orbitals arranged in the side by side way. So like this. So now we can calculate the bond order. For bond order we have NB minus Na by 2. See here. So number of electrons in bonding molecular orbitals is 2 plus 2 4 plus 2 6 plus 2 8 plus 2 10. Okay, 10 electrons bonding molecular orbitals. Next, antibonding molecular orbitals, 2 plus 2 4 plus 1 5, total 15 electrons are there. So 10 electrons in bonding molecular orbitals and 5 electrons in antibonding molecular orbital. So now bond order is 10 minus 5 by 2, that means 5 by 2. 5 by 2 means 2.5. Bond order is 2.5. So now see the molecular orbital energy diagram. This is the energy. First see the nitrogen atom electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2. So 2p3, that means 2px1, 2py1, 2pz1. Total 7 electrons. Okay. Next, oxygen atom electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p4, that means 2px2, 2py1, 2pz1. So total 8 electrons. Okay, 8 plus 7, total 15 electrons. These 15 electrons are filled in these molecular orbitals from down to top. So here 2 electrons in sigma 1s, 2 electrons in sigma star 1s, 2 electrons in sigma 2s, 2 electrons in sigma star 2s, 2 electrons in sigma 2px. Okay, 2 electrons in pi 2py, 2 electrons in pi 2pz. So fifth electron enters into the pi star 2py. Fifth electron enters into the pi star 2py orbital. Okay. So next to properties for bond order, we know the bond order. So 2.5. So and the magnetic property. So NO molecule contains unpaired electron in pi star 2py molecular orbital. Pi star 2py molecular orbital. And total NO molecule contain unpaired electron in highest energy molecular orbital. So it is a paramagnetic in nature. So it is a paramagnetic in nature. Okay, this is the molecular orbital energy diagram of NO molecule. NO molecule. So next see the Cn minus molecule. Cn minus. So Cn minus molecule so contain the two heteroatoms. One is nitrogen and another one is carbon. So here Cn minus means carbon and nitrogen minus, like that. See next. So your carbon atomic number is 6. So the electronic configuration of carbon is 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. Next, nitrogen atom has 7 electrons. So with electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. So total number of electrons in Cn minus is equal to 6 electrons from carbon, 7 electrons from nitrogen, 1 electron from minus charge. Total 13 plus 14 electrons are there. Total 14 electrons in Cn minus molecule. So therefore total electrons in Cn minus ions are 14. The electrons are filled in the molecular orbitals as here sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2, sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2, pi 2p y2, pi 2p z2. So sigma 2p x2, sigma 2p x2. These 14 electrons filled in. So this molecule followed by unsymmetrical molecular orbital. This is the unsymmetrical molecular orbital. Okay. So now the number of electrons in bonding molecular orbital is 2 plus 2 4 plus 2 plus 2 plus sigma. Okay, 14 electrons completed. So that means 8 electrons in bonding molecular orbitals. So next 2 electrons, 2 electrons. Not this is also total 10 electrons. 10 electrons bonding molecular orbitals. So and 4 electrons in anti-bonding molecular orbitals. So bond order is 10 minus 4 by 2, that means 6 by 2, that means 3. So Cn minus arranged in the C triple bond N. So like this. So these minus charge so transfer to the carbon molecules. So bond order of this molecule is 3. See now molecular orbital energy diagram. Carbon atom. So electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. That means 2px1, 2py1. Next N minus atom. Electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p3 actually nitrogen, N minus 2p4. That is 2px2, 2py1, 2pz1. Total here. So N 8 electrons, here 6 electrons. So these total 14 electrons filled in this molecular orbitals. So 2 electrons in sigma 1s, 2 electrons in sigma star 1s, 2 electrons in sigma 2s, 2 electrons in sigma star 2s. So 2 electrons in pi 2py, 2 electrons in pi 2pz and 2 electrons in sigma 2px, sigma 2px. This is the molecular orbital energy diagram for Cn molecules. So is here magnetic property. So these are no unpaired electron. So these are no unpaired electron in Cn minus ion. So it is diamagnetic in nature. It is diamagnetic in nature. Is the highest molecular orbital contain the paired electrons. Paired electrons. So it is a diamagnetic in nature. Okay, next. NO plus molecule. See here NO plus molecule. So NO plus molecule is formed with the nitrogen plus oxygen, N plus and oxygen. So this see here nitrogen atomic number is 7. The electronic configuration of nitrogen atom is 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. Okay. So the The oxygen atom has 8 electrons. The electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. Okay. So now total electrons in NO plus are 14 electrons. 14 electrons here. NO plus 7 electrons from nitrogen, 8 electrons from oxygen, minus 1 electron for positive charge. So total there are 14 electrons. Total there are 14 electrons. Okay, these 14 electrons arranged so in molecular orbitals like here sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2, sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2, sigma 2py2, pi 2py2, pi 2pz2. Total 14 electrons. These 14 electrons filled in, see here, this is the asymmetric molecular orbital. This is the asymmetrical molecular orbital. See here, asymmetric is there. Sorry, symmetric molecular orbitals. In symmetrical molecular orbital, these 4 pi orbitals in the same. Okay. So total 14 electrons filled in the symmetrical molecular orbital diagram. This is the molecular orbital diagram. This is the energy. So first to take the nitrogen atom. Nitrogen atom electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. Total 7 electrons. Next O plus ion. So general oxygen 8 electrons. For O plus ion it is having only 7 electrons. 7 electrons as 1s2, 2s2, 2p3 also. This is also. So next to 14 electrons. So filled in molecular orbitals from down to top. So here 2 electrons in sigma 1s orbital, 2 electrons in sigma star 1s orbital, 2 electrons in sigma 2s, 2 electrons in sigma star 2s, 2 electrons in sigma 2px, 2 electrons in pi 2py, 2 electrons in pi 2pz. Total 14 electrons completed. So the bond order is, see here, in number of electrons in bonding molecular orbital is 2 plus 2 4 plus 2 6 plus 2 8 plus 2 10. Total 10 electrons. In antibonding molecular orbitals 2 plus 2, total 4 electrons. So by 2, that means 6 by 2. 6 by 2 is equal to 3. So there is bond order is 3. That means nitrogen NO plus molecule, the 3 bonds between nitrogen and oxygen. Nitrogen and oxygen molecule. So okay, next to magnetic property. Magnetic property. See here, there are no unpaired electrons. There are no unpaired electrons in NO plus ion. So it is diamagnetic in nature with bond order 3. Diamagnetic in nature with bond order 3. So okay, this is the NO plus molecule. See next HF molecule, hydrogen fluoride. See here, electronic configuration of hydrogen H1 is equal to 1s2. Okay. Next, the atomic number of fluorine is 9. So electronic configuration of fluorine is 1s2, 2s2, 2px2, 2py2, 2pz1. 2pz1. See here, this is very somewhat difficult. The combination of 2px or 2py orbitals with 1s orbital. So this 1s electron and so this 2pz orbital combined to form a hydrogen to fluorine bond. This single electron and this single electron so combined to form a so general 2HF bond. So see here the combination of 2px or 2py orbitals with 1s orbital of hydrogen atom cannot take place because of symmetry consideration, okay. Next 1s and 2s orbitals of fluorine atom have low energy. So there is no 2px, there is no 2py. Next 1s and 2s orbitals. So and 1s and 2s orbitals of fluorine atom has low energy, but these do not interact with the 1s orbital of hydrogen molecule, 1s orbital of hydrogen atom. So there is no possible for 1s and 2s orbital also. The next, hence 1s orbital of hydrogen atom, 1s orbital as well as 2s orbitals of fluorine atoms remains as atomic orbitals. The 1s and as well as the 2s orbitals of fluorine atom remains as atomic orbitals. So on the other hand, 2pz orbital of fluorine atom overlaps effectively with 1s orbital of hydrogen atom to form a sigma sp bonding molecular orbital and sigma star sp antibonding molecular orbitals and sigma star sp antibonding molecular orbital. Sigma sp is the only bonding molecular orbitals that is formed in HF molecule. Sigma sp is the only bonding molecular orbital that is formed in the HF molecules. Here this is the 1s orbital of hydrogen molecule, this is 2pz orbital of fluorine molecules. So it is form a so HF sigma sp bonding molecular orbital with sigma bond. So now see the molecular orbital energy diagram. So this is the hydrogen atom, so for 1s orbital, this is the fluorine atom, so 2s orbital 2 electrons, 2p orbital, so 2px2, 2py2, 2pz1. Here 2s orbitals for fluorine atom remaining same. This is the HF molecular orbitals. So 2s orbitals of fluorine remaining same. Next these 1s orbital and 2pz orbital of fluorine combined to form a 2 molecular orbitals, that is sigma sp orbital and sigma star sp orbitals. And 2px orbital, 2py orbital of fluorine atoms remains same energy, remains constant. So therefore, so 2 molecular, one is sigma sp molecular orbital, another one is the sigma star sp antibonding molecular orbitals. So now 2 electrons are there for in valence shell. These 2 electrons filled in the sigma sp molecular orbitals. So the properties, the bond order is Nb minus Na by 2, that means N2 minus 0 by 2. So 2 electrons in bonding molecular orbitals, 0 electrons in antibonding molecular orbitals. So therefore 2 by 2 is equal to 1. Second one, magnetic property. There are no unpaired electron, so HF molecule is diamagnetic in nature. So diamagnetic in nature. So these are the molecular orbital energy diagrams of heteronuclear diatomic molecules. HF molecule and so NO plus molecule and Cn minus molecule and NO molecule and so CO molecule. In some neutral molecules are there, some ions are there, like NO plus ion and Cn minus ion. So this is the jumboid of heteronuclear diatomic molecules. Okay, thank you.